Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make the most delicious and moist lemon pound cake. To get started, here I have some all-purpose flour, butter, some sugar, I have eggs, I'll be using some milk and sour cream, I have vanilla extract, some baking powder, lemon zest, and lemon juice. First, we'll combine all the dry ingredients, and that is the baking powder and the flour. We'll mix the combine and set aside. Next, we'll combine all the wet ingredients, starting with the butter and the sugar. We'll mix with a hand blender until it is just combined. You don't want to make it light and fluffy. Just as soon as it's combined, you stop right there. And I will not be using salt in the recipe because I'm using salted butter. But if you're using unsalted butter, you can add a half teaspoon of salt to your recipe. Next, we'll add the eggs a little at a time until it is well combined. And did I say this was a pound cake? Well, it's half pound of cake. It's not a full pound. My apologies. But if you want a full pound cake, you can double the ingredients. Next, we'll add the rest of our ingredients, starting with the sour cream, lemon zest, the vanilla extract, milk, and lemon juice. We will mix the combine, then we'll start adding our dry ingredients. Now we'll add our dry ingredients a little at a time, and we will gently fold it in. You never want to overmix your cake batter. So as soon as it looks like it's all combined, we'll stop right there. So today I'll be using my silicone bonded pan, and I will transfer the batter in here. Once the batter is transferred, we'll place this in a 325-degree oven Fahrenheit, and we'll let it bake for about 1 hour, or at least until you stick a toothpick in the middle or a skewer and it comes out clean. That's how you know it's done. While the cake is in the oven, we'll go ahead and make a lemon glaze for the cake using some powdered sugar, some milk, and some lemon juice. We'll add the ingredients to the sugar, mix until well combined, and set aside. I did add a little too much milk here, and the glaze was a bit runny, so what I did was added some more sugar off camera, and it was the perfect consistency. So I will be leaving all the correct measurements in the description box for you guys so you don't make this mistake. Once the cake comes out the oven, this is how it should be looking. It smells amazing, guys, but I will let it cool for about 10 minutes before I remove it from the pan and allow it to continue cooling on my cooling rack. Once the cake is completely cooled, we'll go ahead and glaze it with that delicious lemon glaze. Guys, the cake smells so amazing and it looks so pretty. I did not want to cut it. So I did place the glaze in the cracks only, just for presentation purposes, but afterwards I went back in with a brush and I brushed the glaze on the entire cake. You know, because it's better for eating. Like when you eat in the cake, you want the glaze all over. And now for the good part, guys, we will slice into this cake and see what it's looking like. The cake was absolutely moist. It was the perfect amount of sweetness. It was not too sweet. And that glaze, that lemon glaze, was just the icing on the cake. You know, it was delicious, guys. I hope y'all give this recipe a try. You will not be disappointed. It was absolutely amazing, and it did not last a day in my house. It was done by the end of the night. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!